Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove apps and silence notifications for personal focus on iPhone X. But first, can you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, click apps under the notifications. Then after that, under the silence notifications from, you will see the list of apps that you added for the silence notifications. And if you want to remove, just click the negative sign on the upper corner. And this is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed apps and silence notifications personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.